today we are continuing looking at words that have 4 sounds. But for today's word, the tricky sounds to blend are at the end. So I'm going to do exactly as I did on Friday to help you. I'm going to show you how to blend the words. But I'm not going to do all 10 because I think you were really good at this at Friday. What I'm going to do is blend the first few and then I'd like you to have a go. Here is our first word. W-I-N-D. W-I-N-D. Now remember, if we start to say the sounds quicker, we start to blend it together. W-I-N-D, 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 W-I-N-D. I say this word says wind. Here's my next word. Remember, I'm not doing them all today. W-ept, 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 w-ept. I think this word says wept. Here's my last one to help you today. T-usk, 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 t-usk. Tusk, like an elephant has a tusk. Now it's your turn, remember. Say the sounds and then start to say them quicker to help you blend them together. Well done. Well done. Superstars. Well done, we're back at the beginning.